Is coconut oil good for you? I was asked this question when I was giving a presentation to about 5,000 Fijians a few years ago. They asked me, is coconut oil good for you? Because they had been told that it was bad. And so I asked them a question. Were your ancestors healthy? There was a silence. And then these 5,000 Fijians began to laugh, because they were very healthy. When Captain Cook landed on those South Pacific Islands, he was confronted with the most magnificent specimens of humanity he had ever seen. The men were tall, strong, agile. They had perfect teeth. The women were very beautiful. They had beautiful, long, silky hair. In some islands it was a little shorter. He had a little bit of trouble with his men. The women were so beautiful. And what did they eat every meal? Coconut oil. They have coconut every meal.
Coconut oil is a type of edible oil extracted from the flesh or kernel of mature coconuts harvested from the coconut tree. It is widely used in cooking and baking, and also in cosmetics and healthcare. However, in recent years, coconut oil has gained wide popularity as a superfood with numerous health benefits. Proponents of this tropical oil claim it can do everything from boost brain function to improve skin health. Among the many healthcare professionals touting its benefits is Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a renowned naturopath and health educator. In today's video, we will explore the health benefits of coconut oil revealed by Dr. Barbara O'Neill and how to take advantage of it.
Recently I was talking to a couple. The lady was Samoan, her husband was Hawaiian. They were in their mid-40s, and they said, yes, that's what we grew up. That we grew up with coconut in every single meal. The BHSC method uses Bible, history, science, and common sense. Is coconut oil in the Bible? No, it is not. But then again, the Bible was not written in the South Pacific Islands. The Bible talks about olive oil because where the Bible was written, that was the oil of use at the time. The coconut has been used for centuries.
Dr. Barbara O'Neill reveals that our ancestors were stronger and healthier, in part due to regular consumption of coconut oil. Coconut oil was a staple in their diets, bringing several important nutrients that strengthened their physical and mental health. The traditional use of coconut oil, especially in tropical regions, reflects its role in promoting vitality. According to Dr. Barbara O'Neill, societies that eat coconut oil daily in their meals suffer fewer chronic diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. This suggests that this simple and natural product plays a crucial role in overall health. One of the reasons Dr. Barbara O'Neill believes our ancestors thrived on coconut oil is because of its nutritional profile. Coconut oil contains medium-chain fatty acids, mainly lauric acid, known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. These fatty acids are easily digested and converted into energy, making them ideal for promoting metabolic health.
And I'm very thankful for Dr. Bruce Fife, who has written many books on the coconut oil. In fact, I can't tell you how many, but I think it might be up to 6 or 7, because coconut oil is high in medium-chain fatty acids, the liver breaks it down to ketones. And he shows that ketones are neurohealers, neuroprotectors. It is a remarkable oil. I believe Dr. Bruce Fife should be receiving a Nobel Prize for his books on the coconut oil, because he shows the science behind what history has already shown us, that the South Pacific Islanders endured magnificent health.
Dr. Barbara O'Neill has long praised the work of Dr. Bruce Fife, a leading expert on the health benefits of coconut oil. Dr. Bruce Fife, sometimes called Dr. Coconut, has written extensively about how coconut oil can help improve brain function. He went so far as to claim that coconut oil can help prevent or reverse the effects of Alzheimer's disease. Dr. Fife's research points to the fact that the medium-chain triglycerides in coconut oil can be converted into ketones, which the brain can use as an alternative fuel source. This is important for individuals with neurodegenerative diseases, where the brain's ability to utilize glucose is impaired. Ketones provide energy to the brain in a way that can help stabilize neurons and prevent cognitive decline. This has led some researchers and health professionals, including Barbara O'Neill, to recommend coconut oil as a dietary supplement for individuals with Alzheimer's disease or other forms of cognitive impairment.
Until the white man came with his 5 lethal whites. What are the 5 lethal whites? White rice, white flour and its products, white sugar, white salt, and the white dairy milk. It is those 5 lethal whites that are causing the problems that we see in the South Pacific Islands today. A lot of the people are obese. It's not because of the coconut oil, it's because they've stopped the coconut oil. It's because those white products gives too much glucose into the body and it has to be stored as fat. That's why they are big. And the pancreases are getting worn out. There was no diabetes, no heart disease on the island until white man came.
While coconut oil has numerous health benefits, Dr. Barbara O'Neill stresses the importance of cutting out harmful foods from the diet, particularly the 5 lethal whites. These are white rice, white bread, white flour and its products, white sugar, and white dairy milk. According to Barbara O'Neill, these processed foods are responsible for many modern health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Processed white foods are stripped of their natural nutrients during production, leaving behind a product that is high in calories but low in nutritional value. For example, white sugar spikes blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance and increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Similarly, white bread and white rice are refined grains that lack fiber, vitamins, and minerals, leading to weight gain and digestive issues. Dr. Barbara O'Neill believes that by reducing these lethal whites from the diet and replacing them with healthier alternatives, such as whole grains, natural sweeteners, and unprocessed dairy, people can significantly improve their health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases.
They listened to the white man because he brought in technology, he brought in many reforms. Some of those islanders were cannibals. They showed them what a wonderful thing it is to serve God and what freedom it is to be freed from these evil practices. So they trusted the white man. But unfortunately, they could have shown the white man how to eat. When I say unfortunately, it's because they believe the white man and it was good and right that they believe him in many ways, but not regarding his diet. So the coconut oil is a remarkable oil.
While Dr. Barbara O'Neill and many others tout the health benefits of coconut oil, it's important to note that not all health experts agree. Some argue that the high levels of saturated fat in coconut oil may outweigh its benefits, particularly for individuals at risk of heart disease. However, it's worth noting that the saturated fats in coconut oil are different from those found in animal products like butter and meat. Furthermore, coconut oil can include many more other health benefits such as skin and hair care, bringing shine to skin and long hair, weight management, supporting cardiovascular health, increasing energy levels, and much more. Dr. Barbara O'Neill suggests that moderation is key. As with any dietary fat, balance and variety are essential. Including coconut oil as part of a healthy, whole foods-based diet can provide benefits. But it's also important to consume other sources of healthy fats, such as olive oil, nuts, and avocados. If you're enjoying this video and finding the content helpful, make sure to like and hit subscribe button below. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update on health tips and much more.